For a hobbyist, people have to expect that you're not going to get hydraulics or a welded frame. You're not going to get those in an entry-level mill. And what Woodland has done is they've opened it up to people like myself at a lower price point to get a quality mill that will mill just as good a lumber as any of your big name brand mills. Yeah, I've got about a 7-acre property that's probably 5 miles out of the nearest town. And the woodworking is just a side hobby. I do a lot of porch swings and interior projects for homes. I was finding myself held up at times when other sawyers couldn't keep up with the demands. The mill has made it possible for me to source my own lumber now. Lord, there's probably 1,000 pine trees at my house right now in stacks just waiting to be milled. If I want something, I can mill it the way I want it, what I want. I can do it all myself, and that is a freedom that I enjoy. It is giving me the ability to show my son how to do things, get out there and help me with the mill, see it operate. He's getting exposed to this at a young age. It's only going to help him in life. Being that I had the mill, that allowed me to build a nice shelter over it to protect the investment. I delegated that as my very first project, and I'm really glad I did. Yeah, I'm new to the whole YouTube thing. Mainly on the YouTube channel, I've been showing people things, but I just wanted it to be me going over my experience with putting the mill together and getting a place to put the mill in the dry. But I'm going to cover a whole lot more with the cabin build coming up, and I'm really looking forward to that. Being able to mill whatever I want, that gives me the ability to just take on a project, and if I want to put different kinds of wood in there, accent pieces, if I can get my hands on it, I can mill it myself, and that is just a freedom I haven't had in the past. And if I mess up on a project and I don't cut enough lumber, I just go right up there and fire the mill up and cut some more. If I didn't have the mill, I got to make a trip to the box store again. I don't have that problem now.